The first Snapdragon 4's Gen 2 phone is here with the freshly announced Redmi A4 5G. The device will launch in India soon with a retail price of under 10,000 Indian rupees, 120 US dollars, which would make it one of the most affordable 5G phones in the country. Redmi A4 5G bears resemblance to the Redmi 14R and Redmi 14C with a large circular camera island with a 50-megapixel main cam. Xiaomi did not reveal Redmi A4 5G's full-spec sheet, but the device is expected to carry a 6.7-inch LCD with HD plus resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. Rumors also point to an 8-megapixel front-facing shooter as well as a 5,000 mAh battery with 18-watt charging support. Thank you for watching.